Good morning, everyone. I am Professor Bankar DB, Department of Chemistry, RVNB College, Srirampur. Today, in this lecture, we will going to learn some problems based on protection and deprotection topic, and that problems are asked in the previous university examination. This type of problems we have already learned in our previous lectures. So we will start with this particular problem. Look at this conversion. We have given starting material, and that starting material is converted into this type of product. For this particular conversion, you have given this type of reagents, and you should use this reagent at proper place, and by using all the reagents you should achieve this particular conversion. So we will see how this starting material is converted into this product using all these given reagents. So we will start with first step. This is our initial given structure of the molecule. In first step we use this reagent HCN triethyl aluminum. So in presence of HCN triethyl aluminum, this starting material undergo reaction, and there is formation of this type of product, or we can say intermediate. So this HCN attack at this beta position. So this beta position is electrophilic in nature due to the conjugation of this double bond with carbonyl group. So this CN attack at this particular position, and there is formation of this type of intermediate. In next step, this diol in presence of H plus undergo reaction with carbonyl group of ketone, and there is formation of this type of ketal. So in this particular step we protect this carbonyl group using diol in presence of H plus, and there is formation of this type of ketal. So this is protection of this ketone. In next step we use lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. So this lithium aluminum hydride reduces this Cn into CH2NH2. So this lithium aluminum hydride is more strong reducing agent, therefore it reduces Cn into CH2NH2, that is Cn undergo reduction into the amine. In next step we use HClO4, that is perchloro acid. So this acid act as a deprotecting agent for this particular ketal. So this ketal in presence of HClO4 undergo deprotection, and there is formation of again original ketonic group. In next step what happen, this NH2 and this carbonyl carbon undergo reaction, and there is formation of cyclic ring. So this NH2 and this carbonyl carbon are close to each other, therefore they easily undergo reaction, and there is formation of cyclic ring. In next step there is loss of water molecule, and there is formation of double bond at this particular position, and we get this original original final product. So in this way we achieve the conversion of given starting material into the product using all this type of reagent. So this is one of the important question which is generally asked in the previous examination. So in next point we will see again the new problem. So in this particular question, you have provided this type of aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, and this aldehyde undergo various steps and convert into this type of product. So in this particular organic synthesis sequence, you have given this type of reagent. So you should able to use all the given reagents at proper places, and you have to convert this formaldehyde into this type of product. So we will see the detailed conversion of this starting material into this product. So look at this particular reaction sequence. Initially we use the given aldehyde. That aldehyde react with propane 1,3-dithiol. So this propane 1,3-dithiol act as a protecting group for the aldehyde or ketone. So this reactant undergo reaction with aldehyde in presence of H+, and there is formation of this type of 1,3-dithione compound. This is cyclic compound. In next step we use N-butyl lithium in presence of THF. We use N-butyl lithium in presence of THF. So this base, that is N-butyl lithium, abstract this proton. There is formation of carbanion at this particular carbon. So this carbanion is stabilized by the sulfur atom. In next step, this carbanion react with methyl iodide, and there is formation of bond between this carbon and CH3. So we have this type of structure. In next step, we use the second N-butyl lithium molecule, and that N-butyl lithium again abstract this proton. There is formation of carbanion, and this carbanion react with this given reagent. So this carbon is electrophilic in nature. This Cl will be removed, and this carbon form bond with this carbonyl carbon. So we have this next structure. In last step we use HgCl2 in presence of H3O+. So this given reaction condition act as a deprotecting step for this type of 1,3-dithione compound, and there is formation of again given compound. So in this way we achieve the conversion of this aldehyde into the given final product by using different types of given reagent. Then we will see the next question, which is also asked in the previous examination. Consider the question. So this is given question. How will you bring about the following transformation? How will you bring about the following transformation? So we will see the particular example. So this is given transformation. We have to convert this given molecule into this type of product by using suitable steps, suitable reagent. So we will see the conversion of this particular example. In first step, we use benzoyl chloride in presence of pyridine, but in this case we use only one equivalent of this benzoyl chloride. So in the first step, this benzoyl chloride undergo reaction with this given amino acid molecule, so that NH2 react with this benzoyl chloride and there is formation of NBZ group. In next step, we use benzyl alcohol in presence of acid catalyst. In next step, we use benzyl alcohol in presence of acid catalyst. So this benzyl alcohol react with this carboxylic acid and there is formation of this type of group. So in this way, we protect this carboxylic acid using benzyl alcohol. So by using this type of reaction condition, we convert this given molecule into corresponding product. So we achieve the given transformation. Then we will consider next example. So in this particular case, we have to convert this given molecule into this type of product. Again, we choose the proper reaction condition and reagent for this particular transformation. In first step, we use CrO3 in presence of acetone. So here we use oxidation reagent. So this CrO3 bring the conversion of this alcohol into corresponding ketone. So this is first step, that is oxidation step. In next step, In next step, we perform Wittig reaction. So we have this type of reagent. So this reagent undergo reaction with carbonyl group of ketone and there is formation of alkene. So in last step we use parasulfonic acid, paratoluene sulfonic acid as a deprotecting reagent for this OTHP. So under this acidic condition, this OTHP undergo deprotection into corresponding OH. So in this way we again achieve the given transformation using the different types of reaction condition. Then we will see the next question. So this is the given question. Predict the product of the following. We will take one example. So here we have this type of given problem. In this case we provide some starting material, some reagents, and at the middle there is question mark. So we have to find the given, or we have to find out the answer at this particular question mark. So we will solve this given problem. So DHP means dihydropyran. Here we have provide only one equivalent of DHP, that is dihydropyran. So this dihydropyran act as a protecting group for OH, but in this case we have given only one equivalent. So in presence of one equivalent of this DHP, only one alcohol undergo protection as OTHP. In next step we use pyridinium chlorochromate as an oxidizing agent for this alcohol. So this alcohol undergo oxidation in presence of PCC into aldehyde. In next step we use Grignard reagent, that is C6H13 MgBr. So this Grignard reagent undergo reaction with this carbonyl group of aldehyde. So this is our final product. So in this way we finished all part of the protection and deprotection. We also saw different types of examples. So in next our lecture we will begin with Kairan approach concept. So I will stop here. Thank you.